Xena Killer 101 here with Butcher's Hook by Slipknot.
Trust, commercial, arrogance, leprosy, consume the bitch, the fucker, mindless like a child, for purity's sake, I've had all that I can take, we try, but in the end we'll see, there are no more codes, only who is shit, and who's still free, who's gonna change the world with honor and aggression. No one listened, no one cared, all they saw was misdirection.
I'm giving up again. I'm giving up again. I'm giving up again.
I'm giving up again. I don't want you anymore. I don't need you anymore. They got bricks of God, your new religious covet. This vessel wasn't built to last, but I will live forever. You'll never have to say surrender, because you're so part of it. My total honesty is no place for tomorrow. Guilty pleasures give me pain. Tell my people I can't follow.
I'm giving up again. I'm giving up again. I'm giving up again.
I'm giving up again. You'll never censor me. You better cherish me. My reason has a voice. Freedom's gone. I will always have a choice. My present, future tense. It doesn't make much sense. I'm coming after you. Fuck you all with the only point of view. Violence and dollar signs. Another process piece of shit. You live your life in garment. You'll get rid of the only cause. You can eliminate the loss. The losing the path. I'm losing the ground, but I won't get what I go down.
I'm giving up again. 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 I'm giving up again.
I'm giving up again. I'm giving up again. I'm giving up again.
Alright, signing